Hello and welcome to this Move Manager walkthrough. In this video, I will be showing you how to create floor plan drafts to use in scenarios which can then be added to your Move project. To get started, I'm going to click on Move Project in my projects list and go straight to the Scenarios tab. You can create a new floor plan draft by clicking Drawings followed by New Floor. Type a title and location, then add the floor to the Drawings list. Your new floor is now ready to edit. Hold down the mouse wheel and drag the floor plan to your desired view. Click and hold to select objects from the marquee, then select the tool from the toolbar to alter your selected object. For example, press delete to remove these desks, then select another desk and press copy to move into the empty area beside it. You can deselect auto mode in the bottom toolbar to freely move objects on the floor plan. Once you have finished making changes, press validate to validate the locations of your new objects. It's important that you remember to remove deleted locations by selecting the old locations followed by delete. Press commit to validate new locations and save your floor plan changes. Once you have added a new floor plan, you can then add that floor plan to a scenario. Note that any employee sitting at a removed workstation will automatically be moved to the lobby and appear in your mover list ready to move to their new location. Go back to the Scenarios tab and apply the scenario. When you complete your project, your new floor plan will be sent to quarantine for quality assurance by the CAD team and then updated in Space Management once approved. It's that simple.